This is a special report from About Space Today.
NASA delays the Artemis wet dress rehearsal due to cold weather. Welcome to Special Report, and thanks for taking time from your home or from where you work to join us. I'm David Denault. Well, NASA said consecutive cold days with nighttime temperatures in the 30s halted the planned fueling test of Artemis as temps fell below the safe limits for propellant loading. NASA is now targeting Monday, February the 2nd, as the tanking day for the upcoming Artemis II wet dress rehearsal at the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Now, with this change, the first potential opportunity to launch is no earlier than Sunday, February the 8th. The Space Force 45th Weather Squadron criteria says that if 2 or more consecutive days of 38 Fahrenheit weather or lower will likely postpone the wet dress rehearsal for the Artemis II mission. Now, technicians are actively monitoring the conditions to ensure the SLS rocket and the Orion capsule are protected during these times of uncharacteristic cold snaps in Florida. And to complicate matters, NASA has scheduled the SpaceX Crew 12 launch for February the 11th at 6 a.m. to the orbiting space laboratory as part of NASA's Commercial Crew program. Artemis II mission is a groundbreaking 10-day journey that will take 4 astronauts further than any other human has traveled before, an incredible 40,000 miles beyond the moon. This mission is not just entering a lunar orbit. Instead, Artemis will perform a free return trajectory, allowing the crew to test the Orion spacecraft systems. This flight is a critical step in preparing for future lunar missions, including those that would land astronauts on the moon, targeted as early as next year. The crew will approach the moon, reaching an altitude of approximately 7,000 kilometers, or about 4,000 miles above its surface, but marks the first time in 54 years that humans will travel to the moon, laying the foundation for future Artemis missions with the goal of landing astronauts on the lunar surface as early as next year. Now the question is, when will NASA pass its fueling test, and when will NASA set a new launch date? You can see all of our reports on our Facebook page at aboutspace.today or on your favorite channel. And to all our listeners around the globe and here in the U.S., thank you for taking time from your home or from where you work to listen. I'm David Denault.
This has been a special report from About Space Today.